Now, the renowned NRI filmmaker Meera Nair, who is known for critically acclaimed films like Salaam Bombay, Monsoon Wedding and Namesake, to name a few, is in India. My colleague Priya Randhawa caught up with the director, who was in capital for the first edition of the Pravasi Film Festival for NRI filmmakers.
I'm talking to the renowned filmmaker Meera Nair, who is in India at the moment for the Pravasi Film Festival in the capital. Now, Meera, you are known world over, and people find, you're synonymous as a well-known Indian filmmaker. In fact, when I spoke to Sir Ben Kingsley at the IFFI in Goa this year, he finds your film Monsoon Wedding very moving, and you as one of the well-known Indian filmmakers. What do you have to say about that? And when you have this kind of name and, say, a responsibility on your shoulders, do you feel that?
Well, I just, really feel grateful I have an audience. It surprises me so much that people really know my films and wait for them. It's a tough world, to make films in, and I just have thankfully been fiercely independent right from the beginning and sort of followed my own heartbeat.
How do you put your entire journey in perspective? Because filmmaking was something which initially, when you started out after doing sociology in your background, given that you did have to encounter many challenges, your family yourself did not, wasn't too comfortable at that given point in time. How do you put that in perspective, and what drove you to carry on and get into films at that point?
Wow. It's such an extraordinary art form to make cinema, to make stories of what really intoxicates you, but also to use color and to use music and to use painting if you love it or whatever. I mean, it's such an embracing art form. And more than anything, it reaches. I've always made my films based on things that really don't let me go, whether it be the idea of how to capture masti, like I wanted to do in a Punjabi family in Monsoon Wedding, but to equate and juxtapose masti with the darkness of family life, of secrets that you never hear of, unless you tell tales about them.
Okay, now Meera, tell us, how are you keeping yourself busy in 2010, and what about your other projects?
I'm currently working on preparing the musical version of Monsoon Wedding to be first starting in Broadway in New York City on stage and then bringing it all over the world. That'll take about a year. And my new film is based on the book by Mohsin Hamid, The Reluctant Fundamentalist, which is a thriller set between New York and Lahore and Chile. And that's really what's keeping me busy in 2010.
Now, you got into filmmaking and you set up your school in Africa. Do we see you doing something similar in India, or imparting your experience and filmmaking knowledge anytime soon?
Well, I'm actually open to, I love to speak to students, and I love to teach whatever little I know. The school, Maisha, in East Africa is also open to South Asian filmmakers, 80% African, 20% South Asian. But, I do feel like there's much more opportunity here in India for a young person to know and to arm themselves with knowledge about cinema. Whereas in East Africa, there is really virtually nothing and no one. So I want to be in a place where I could make the greatest difference. But I'm always available to come, and I'm working out of India half the time. So yes, I'm open and available and happy to help.
Now this